Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the array. First, I'm going to tell you definitions of the array. So, what is the array? An array is capable to store more than one value. Each value is stored in each elements of the array. But if I talk about the variable, in variable you can store only one value, not more than one value at a time. But in array you can store more than one value at a time. And way of declaring the array, in this video I will cover only how we can declare the array and what is the part of the array. So let's see the practical approach. So how we can do it. So here I'm going to developer tab, go to Visual Basic, and here is my code window. If you are not able to view this window, then you have to go to insert menu and click on module. Then you will get this code window. So here I have not added module because I have module. So here I'm going to declare the array, and how we can declare the array and what is the different elements of the array I will discuss. So first I'm going to write down the macro sub basic array. Here way of declaring the array is two types. Dim, dim means dimension, and array name. Array name can be anything as per your convenient. Here I'm writing imp, and first I can declare the array in this way. And you have to write as, then you have to declare the data type. So here I'm taking data type as a string. Why I'm taking data type as a string? Because imp name can be string. That's why I'm taking here data type string. If I'm declaring the array in this way, then you have four elements of this array. Your element is imp0, imp1, imp2, imp3. You have four elements. If I'm declaring here array in second way, like 1, 2, 3. If I'm declaring the array in this way, that means you have only three elements. Your first element will start from 1, means imp1, imp2, imp3. Okay. But by default, array elements can be started from 0. Imp0, imp1, imp2, imp3. But here I have mentioned the start point and end point of the array. And another thing is, I'm discussing here about the lower bound and upper bound of the array. Here, my lower bound is this part and upper bound is this value. Okay. This value is lower bound. This value is upper bound. Okay. So start point of the array is called lower bound. End point of the array is called upper bound. Now, you have another way to declare the array. So here you need to mention 3 and you want to start your element from 1. At that time you have to write here option base. Option base 1. This option base 1 is used to define the start point of the array. If you are declaring the array in this way, it means option base is telling you to define your array element from 1. Okay. So let's see the practical approach how we can do this. Okay. So here I'm writing imp0. Imp0 is not created because of this option base 1, because I'm starting my array from 1, not from 0. So in this way you will get an error. So here I'm writing aman imp1, you will get raman imp2, you will get suman imp3, you will get another name Nitish. Okay, four elements I have stored here, but I have mentioned only three elements. Why? Because here I have mentioned the three and I told to code you have to start the element from 1. So 0 is not declared here. So I'm trying to store the value in imp0 element, which is not possible. You will get an error. You can see here. You are getting array error because subscript out of range. Subscript out of range means you don't have this element. in your array. That's why you are getting error. If I'm removing this option base 1, then this will work perfectly. You can see here, you are not getting error. So value is stored. You can see if you want to view the array part, array values, at that time you have to go to view, go to local window, and in local window you have to go to imp, and you have to, you can see here, imp 0 has stored Aman, imp1 has stored Raman, imp2 has stored Suman, imp3 has stored Nitesh. If you want to utilize this value anywhere, at that time you can mention the where you want to store. Suppose I want to store this value somewhere in message box, or you want to join this value. At that time you have to write down different part. Suppose here I want to join the value and I want to show in message box. So you need to write here, uh, here you need to declare one variable. I'm writing here dim my imp as string, and I want to store this all three values. I want to join. Okay. So how we can join? First you need to write here my imp. After joining the value, I want to show in my imp. So you need to write here my imp equal to join, and you need to write here imp. Imp is the name of the array. Okay. Now I want to show same thing in message box. MSG box, and here you need to write my imp. You can see here I'm just executing this code through the F8 key. First value is stored, now it's joined. Now you can see here you are getting all the value in message box. So join is a function which is used to join your or elements or all array elements value. Okay, that's all for this video. Now I'm telling you about my course. I'm trainer of MIS Data Analytics and Data Science. If you want to learn this course, then you can come to me. I will cover a lot of course like Advanced Excel, VBA, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python, PowerPoint. These are courses available with me. You will get excellent knowledge, excellent practical knowledge. You will get, and you will get job support, job assistant. I will prepare for interview preparation. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.